Hello. I make a project using MindsDB and integrating the knowledge base inside it by using the Ulama model. And this is the console directly from pull from Docker, and it is running in localhost. Uh, sorry, it is running on localhost 47334 port. And my project is based on a backend project, and there are few routes inside there, like create a database, enter data, check data, and delete table. And this is fully based on the PostgreSQL, and this route is directly accessing my PostgreSQL, which is installed inside my machine. Okay, and this is the few routes are to connect my PostgreSQL to the MindsDB. And I there create a AI tables, I there create jobs, I delete jobs, etc. And this is the route based on the knowledge base. I give you the demo by using the Postman. And this is basically the AI agents. For creating an AI agent, I use Gemini API key. Okay, so let me first run this project by running the command bun dev. And here you can see the MindsDB is connected successfully. Then server is running on port 8080, and the PostgreSQL is also connected. So let me first open my Postman, and this is the base URL. Base URL is basically the URL localhost 8080 API v1. So at the first I need to run the route for connect to Postgres. So I need to copy the whole route from here, just have to paste it here. And when I make a request, sorry, this is not an post request, this will be a get request. So this is also created. Then I create AI tables over there. So this is basically the Ulama thing, and I'll fix that. I there create a job. Yes, this job already exists because I created this previously. So let me first delete that job first. So yes, the job is deleted, and let me create it once again. Yes, this is also created. Okay, then let me first create a KB over here. So I need to change the routes. So it's basically creating the KB, so it takes some time. Okay, the KB is also created. Then let me first get all the data from KB, because I just created and the all data would not be there. So we can get a response, a blank empty array. So if I send get all data from KB, so basically we just make a KB using the PostgreSQL connection from directly. I directly access the KB by using this student table. Yep. So we get all the data from the KB, and here I get from prompt. So I have to make get prompt. Okay. So the prompt query should be prompt, and just let me write some prompt over here. Okay, and this would be a post request. Okay, so I get some data. by using prompt. This is 2000 is okay. And then let me copy it. Okay, let me create index over here. This is get request. Yes, the index is also created, and the delete kb is basically if I want to delete the kb, so that's it. And if I want to create agent over here, so I need to create a agent like this. Yes, so already my agent is already exist, so let me first delete it. So it's okay, it's already deleted. And then let me create once. Okay, then it's also created. Then for this route I can ask the AI agent for my question, and I don't need to pass any SQL connection over there. So the question would be who spent 50 rupees, like that. So if I send, oh sorry, this is an post request. So it's fetching. Yes, this is because the Gemini API kinds of error, but this is working. Okay, and this is all about my project. And here something like that cron job is there. Cron job is basically doing a particular dry run over a minute to stores the uh, raw data inside my PostgreSQL, and furthermore we can use this data to fetching the uh, request or fetching some kind of queries, like by using the AI models. And I commented over here the cron job. So if I uncomment this, and I need to import it as well, and if I restore the server, then after a minute, then the cron job will run, and the data would be storing inside my PostgreSQL. See here, data added successfully by insert. So in this method we can store the dummy data inside my MindsDB tables, or as well as the Postgres connection which is running locally inside my machine. This is it, and this is all about my project. And I here create a env example for the port, user, Postgres password, and the Gemini API key. And because I running this Ulama inside my machine, so I don't need to copy any kind of API key over that. And this is the route section. Here I mention all the routes over here, and inside the index ts, the base route is over localhost my port and /api /v1. After that I can uh, go through the route wherever I want. So that's it, that's all about my project. And inside my db I just connected my PostgreSQL over here for passing the raw data in directly inside Postgres. And the index controller is basically all over the routes and handlers I have made over there. And that's it. See here, after 1 minute consecutively it insert data inside my database. So that's all about my project.